Hey everyone, this is the second part of the Ryzen PC build series. In this video, you will know which parts did I choose and why I chose them, right after this short intro. My budget was around 45,000 rupees, but seeing the price hike in graphics cards and RAM, I decided to increase it to 60,000. Coming to the selection of parts, I started by choosing the CPU. First, I was going with the Ryzen 5 1400, but I went with the 6-core 12-thread beast, the Ryzen 5 1600. The reason was that I needed a more powerful PC for video editing and gaming, and I did not want to spend any money on an aftermarket cooler. Plus, the 1600 was very tempting. Theoretically, it should be better than a 4-core i7 with the word theoretically underlined. Secondly, let's have a look at the graphics card. I gave it a thought for the GTX 1050 Ti, but I could not resist my temptation to get a more powerful GTX 1060. I went with the 3GB TwinForce model because the 6GB version was too expensive thanks to cryptocurrency miners. And my decision was right. You'll get to know in the benchmarks video. Next, I chose the motherboard. I had my eyes set on the Asus Prime B350 Plus Full ATX motherboard, but that went out of stock when I was about to buy it. So I went with the Asus ROG Strix B350F motherboard, and I am very happy with that choice. I could not justify the extra price for an X370 motherboard, so I went with the B350. Coming to the memory, I went with 8GB Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM as it was enough for video editing and playing all the modern titles. I did not go for dual channel 4GB as I wanted room for expansion. For storage, I went with the Western Digital Blue 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive and a 120GB WD Green SSD. I plan on using it as a boot drive, and I will also store some of the frequently used programs on it for faster loading. Now came one of the important choices, the power supply. I used a lot of websites and I found the Cooler Master's PSU calculator to be the most accurate. I went with the 500V Thermaltake TR2S power supply. It has an 80 plus efficiency rating, and that's good enough. The last thing I needed was a nice mid-tower case. A side window is a must nowadays, and included fans help in saving the budget. After a lot of research, I went with the Antec GX200. I also ordered a LED strip and a fan as extras. I bought all the parts offline as I found them to be cheaper, but I'll leave Amazon links in the description if you want to save the hassle. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and make sure to comment your thoughts below.